Yo, what's going on? Alex Jenkins checking in. Did a Forex trade, a binary on AUD USD for 72.26 and 72.30. I did a sell on each position, about 3 contracts and 2 on the other. This AUD USD 72.26 was an out of the money trade. The market was currently at 72.28. If you remember, I did a sell on 72.28 the other day and won on that as well. They reached a level of resistance and going in the other direction, and currently I'm winning this trade because of that. Got 13 minutes left on this trade. Take a look at the charts. Let's see where I sold last time. This was the other trade from the other day. Y'all remember this is Sunday, and it came up and went down. I caught this fall. I caught it 28 right here, and it went down. Well, we're there again. Got up 28 again. So I'm selling right here at this position, and hopefully it can maintain and fall back down towards the end of this within the next 15 minutes. It's gonna go down some more. More than likely, I'm gonna probably open another position. We'll see what this do at the turn of the hour. But I'll get back with you guys probably in a moment. Let's see what's going on here in a moment. Pretty close right now on the 72.26. Possibly may take profit on this. We'll see. All right, guys, we're under a minute. 72.23. Market came down a little. It came down a little bit further than that, but it's currently where it's at. It's still dropping, as you can see. Kind of popping back up. 30 something seconds left. Like another victory here. Things going well. This might put me over 1300, which is gonna be sweet. 20 seconds left, so we'll see how this thing goes. Y'all, well, we already know how it's gonna roll. We don't just do anything crazy. Yeah, it's hanging in there. It moved up a little bit, but 5-second count, we good. 2 victories. Give me my 12th victory on this strategy. All right, I'm waiting for this order to fill. Any moment, look at it, instead of dropping. Look how much it's dropping now. That's why I was saying I might have wanted to get in on another fucking trade. There it is. Boom, there it is. Alex Jenkins checking out. Y'all see what just happened. That's why I wanted to open another position. It's crazy. Look at that. If I'd have opened another position around about that price, I'd have been already winning on that position. But this is it, y'all. Alex Jenkins checking out.